Your Excellency, Mohammed Abdullahi Farmaajo, President of the Federal Republic of Somalia, Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, honorable members of the Somali Parliament, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, on behalf of the people and government of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt appreciations and congratulations to the friendly people of Somalia who, amidst Al-Shabaab's intimidations and attacks, have peacefully elected their representatives to the Federal Parliament and also their president. The people of Somalia have made history and set a great example to countries in conflict and countries emerging out of conflict in the continent and elsewhere. This is a clear indication that none other than Somalis can decide on their own fate. I wish also to extend my congratulations to President Mohammed Abdullahi Farmaajo on his presidential victory. Your Excellency, the people of Somalia have overwhelmingly given you their voices to lead them to peace and stability and to economic development and prosperity. It is my earnest hope that your election as president will bring Somalia into its feet. At this occasion, I would like to assure you that the people and government of Ethiopia and myself will continue their efforts to stand by your side in your journey towards ensuring lasting peace and stability and nation building. My thanks and appreciation also go to the outgoing president, my friend Hassan Sheikh Mohammed, for the achievements he has made during his tenure and for peaceful and democratic handover of power. Your Excellency, you deserve congratulations. I think the new government of Somalia, I am here today to express our solidarity and to declare our determination to stand on the side of the Somali people in the remaining journey to see a peaceful and prosperous Somalia integrated clearly and closely in economic ties with its neighbors. Our support to Somalia is based on the promotion of mutual respect, mutual interests, and it is our wish to see a stable and peaceful Somalia that contributes to the regional peace and stability as well as economic prosperity. We want Somalia to be a positive force in the region and beyond. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, let me conclude my remarks by saying Hambalayo, Hambalayo, Hambalayo to President Abdullahi Mohammed. Thank you.